Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I am going to show you how to add or delete user account on Windows 10. Many people using different user account their Windows computer, because if you provide the administrator account for all users, then they can access the entire system as well as install or uninstall the software. So that people created the different user account and restrict the administrator permission for guest users. This is helpful to secure your computer while access the guest users. Let's learn how to add or delete user account on Windows 10 computer. In your Windows 10 computer, go to Windows and click on the settings. Here you have to click on the account. Then you have to click on the family and other users. Under the other user, you have to click on the add someone else to this PC. Now you can add the new user by using any one of Microsoft email. If you would like to create the local computer user, then you have to click on the I don't have the permission sign in information link. Then you have to click on the add user without a Microsoft account. Now you can add the new user, enter the password. Then you have to answer the security questions. After enter the security question, you have to click on the next. Well, now the new user added in your Windows 10 computer. If you would like to provide the access permission for this user, then you have to click on the user, then you have to click on the change account type. By default, this account uses the standard user. If you would like to add the administrator, then you have to select the administrator. Now I would like to add the standard user, then click OK. In this way, you can create the many user by using this method. If you would like to remove the particular user, then you have to click on the remove button. The confirmation window will be open. Then you have to click on the delete account and data. Now your guest user has been removed from your computer. In this way, you can add or delete the user in your Windows 10 computer. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.